Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing and opening Google Messages. Make it your default SMS app so all texts route to it. Once done, grant SMS and contacts permissions because the app needs them to show threads and suggest names. Next, enable chat features. This uses your data or Wi-Fi to deliver richer messaging. Verify your phone number when prompted. This confirms identity and activates typing indicators, read receipts, and high-quality media sharing, which improve conversations overall. You now configure chat features for full functionality. Go to Settings, then Chat Features, and make sure they're active. Once enabled, messages between chat users will show typing indicators and send over data for better media quality. Make sure to manage individual contact settings if you prefer SMS only. This avoids failed RCS attempts. Use the Compose button to start chats, tap the plus to add GIF, files, or location, and use Smart Reply for quick responses to save time. You're finishing setup by testing. Send a photo or message to see a blue chat bubble. Green means SMS. If messages don't upgrade to chat, toggle chat features off and on because re-registration often fixes the handshake. Also check your network connection and restart the app. Make sure the app is updated, clear cache if messages lag, and reboot the phone as a last quick fix. If problems persist, verify your carrier supports RCS. Without that, chat features won't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.